Hi. Google Map Listings is an excellent medium to get potential clients for your business. So in this video, I want to talk about how to build an email list from scratch using Google Map Listings. So by the end of this video, you should have a very clear understanding of 1. How to search for potential clients on Google Maps. 2. What tools to use to extract emails, phone numbers, and other relevant data from Google Map Listings quickly. And 3. Once you have the data, how to add this into an Excel sheet or a Google sheet so you can use this for your email campaigns. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on an actionable tool, tip, or a tactic that could help your business grow. Alright, let's get started. Okay, to better understand the whole flow, let's take an example. Let's assume you have a software company that sells software solutions to photographers so they can better manage their clients, make bookings, schedule appointments, etc. Also, for this example, let's consider that your target market is New York City. So, when I search for wedding photographers in New York City, Google displays these results. The top 4 results are ads, followed by map listings, and then finally organic results. So, for this video, we will only look at map listings. Now, let's click on more businesses, and you'll see all these results for wedding photographers in New York City. And these are people we want to market our software to. So, there are 20 results per page and more than 10 pages. So at the minimum, there are 200 wedding photographers. When I click on one of the results, it shows me some details such as an address, phone number, rating, etc. But there is no email, and we need an email to contact the photographer. But when I click on the website and go to inquire, I can see an email address. However, if you follow this approach and visit every website to extract the email for the photographer, it would take a lot of time for all 200 results. Further, it's very tedious and cumbersome. Fortunately, there's a better way. Welcome to data scraping websites such as Outscraper, Captain Data, TechCU, and many more. I will leave all the links in the description. These websites take photographers' details from Google Map Listings and then use advanced tech to extract email and other relevant data. And the best part is that they do this in a matter of minutes. Also, since they only scrape publicly available data, they are legit and don't violate any privacy laws. So for this video, we will deep dive into Outscraper and do a step-by-step walkthrough because Outscraper results are much better than the other two I mentioned before. Also, I wanted to add that none of these websites is sponsoring me to promote their products. Okay, let's go to outscraper.com. Click on login and then sign up. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Once you log in, you will see many options, but for now, we'll concentrate on maps. Go to Google Services and click on Maps. Switch on the plain query option so you can write search queries as you write in Google Maps. So, write the query wedding photographers in New York City. You can add multiple queries as well. So let's add one more. Portrait photographers in New York City. Okay, now we have wedding photographers in New York City and portrait photographers in New York City. For the country option, add United States. Keep the value in total results to 0, so you get unlimited results. If you specify 50 here, the system will only get 50 results, even if there are 500 results. Check drop duplicates, so if there are any duplicate results, it will just take one and drop the others. To enrich the results, make sure to specify email and contact scraper. For all other options, let's take the default values. Lastly, under other parameters, if you want the results in an Excel file, then you don't have to do anything. But if you want them in Google Sheet, then specify CSV. Later in the video, I'll show you how to take the data in CSV and add it to Google Sheets. Okay, so hit Get Data. The best part is that before you confirm, it will let you know what it will cost and what time it will take. Now compare 3 to 6 minutes and 600 results to doing it manually one by one. Extracting emails like this is very efficient and a huge time saver. Also, it is super affordable. Hit confirm and go to tasks. It is running now and it should take approximately 5 to 10 minutes to get all the data. Okay, so finally it's all done. It took about 10 minutes and it extracted 520 results from Google Maps. As 520 based on our queries, ignored 57 results, which are probably duplicates, and the system was able to find 377 emails, which is fantastic. Sometimes getting the email is impossible because the photographer probably did not mention it on their website or has a contact form instead of just mentioning mentioning email. So once you have the results, click on the download button and save the CSV file. On the side note, I hope you're getting some value out of this video, and if you are, please smash that like button. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comments below. Also, check the description for links to all the websites and the sources that I have spoken about in this video. Okay, back to the video. Once the CSV is downloaded, open Google Sheets, click Import, Upload, and then select the CSV file. Then select Insert New Sheets. Now you should have all the results in a Google Sheet. We have wedding photographers in New York City and portrait photographers as well. As you can see, we have the phone numbers, addresses, ratings, and emails as well. So now you have an email list that you can use for your email campaigns. To send out emails to your potential customers, use professional email software such as MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Snowview, etc. Also, I highly recommend using this email list in a drip email sequence to improve your email open rate and drastically increasing your productivity. If you want to learn more about drip emails and how to implement them, click on this video, or you could see another video from Flipbytes by clicking and tapping the screen. I can't wait to see you in the future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.